In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Freshbooks account in just about 5 minutes. Let's face it, Freshbooks has been a great tool for many managing invoices and keeping finances in check, but there are times when you might need to say goodbye, perhaps because your business has outgrown this tool, or maybe you're moving on to something new. Whatever your reason, I'm here to walk you through the steps of safely and securely deleting your Freshbooks account. First things first, navigate to the Freshbooks website. This is where your journey to close your account begins. The Freshbooks homepage is designed to be user-friendly, so finding your way around should be pretty straightforward. Once you're there, look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Logging in might seem like just a small step, but it's the gateway to accessing and making changes to your account, including its deletion. For those of you who've linked your Google account to Freshbooks, you'll see an option to sign in with Google. This feature is a shortcut for many, eliminating the need to remember yet another password. Click on it and you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you've linked to Freshbooks. Make sure you select the right account to ensure a smooth process. Now, once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you need to. What you'll want to do next is locate your profile photo, which is positioned at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu with various options. Within this menu, you'll find an option labeled Billing and Upgrade. Clicking here will take you to a section of your account where you can manage your subscription details. It's a vital step towards finding the cancellation option, so make sure you don't skip it. Now, this next step requires a bit of scrolling. Navigate to the bottom of the page. It's imperative to be thorough here, as the cancellation option is somewhat tucked away at the end. Companies often do this in hopes you might reconsider the cancellation. You'll eventually spot a link or button that says cancel your account. This is what you've been looking for. Click on it to initiate the account cancellation process. It's a significant step, so there might be a part of you that hesitates, but if your mind's made up, proceed. Following your click, Freshbooks will likely seek confirmation of your decision. You'll see a continue to cancel button or something similarly worded. This is Freshbooks' final attempt to keep you by possibly offering last-minute deals or asking for feedback on why you're leaving. If you're still set on leaving, go ahead and click on it. And that's essentially the process. However, it's worth noting a few things. First, ensure that you've exported all necessary data from your Freshbooks account before deletion. Once your account is gone, retrieving that information might not be possible. Next, consider reaching out to Freshbooks support if you encounter any issues during this process. They can offer guidance and ensure that your account is deleted securely. Deleting your Freshbooks account is a decision that shouldn't be taken lightly, but if you've decided it's what's best for you or your business, following these steps will guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or if there's another tutorial you'd like to see, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to guides and tech tips. See you in the next video.